Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a person or a Redmine user from a Redmine Contact. Okay, so first I would like to say a few words for clarification. The contacts from the contacts list are, as you know, part of the CRM or contacts plugin. It is the same thing. The person, the people or users are actually different things, and the person is part of the people plugin from RedmineUP. And if you do not have people plugin installed, actually the people are extended Redmine users. So at the end of this video and after applying these steps, if you do not have the people plugin, you will have a Redmine user created. So this is the thing. Okay, so let's go to the list and pick some random contact. It could be David Beckham, for example. Alright, so here onto the three dots here, we click on create, and this create button will directly create your Redmine user or person from the contact. So we click create, and some fields are automatically filled, the name, the email, etc. So we have to think for a login name. It could be, for example, David Beckham, and we have to fill the password here. It is some auto-filled here. I don't know where it is. So we have to create a new one. It is a new password. So we click on create, and our new user of Redmine or person is now created. Okay, so if we go to administration, then users, we will see David Beckham here as a user. Our user is automatically created now. And if you have people plugin installed, we click on people, and then we will see David Beckham here as a new person. Okay, when we click on profile of this person or Redmine user, we see that the contact is linked to this user. So David Beckham as a user is linked to David Beckham as a contact. Okay, so when we click on the contact, of course it is now opened successfully. And if you would like to go from a contact to the person David Beckham, then we go to the three dots here again, and instead of the create button we have the profile. So when we click on profile, we are redirected to David Beckham Redmine user. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye for now.